Let me be real. Fashion was never designed with Latinas in mind. These 4 rules, they're not trends, they're traps. They're designed to shrink us, erase us, mute us. And it feels exactly like the first time I walked into a drama school audition here in New York City. I wasn't seen as equal. I was told to tone it down, make myself smaller, make myself palatable. Sound familiar? That's what fashion is still doing. And if you don't believe me, watch these 5 trends that the industry swears are must follow for fall, and why Latinas should burn that rulebook. Quiet luxury. They call it quiet luxury. But let's be real. It's just fashion's way of saying, shh, be quiet. Be beige, be like them. Neutrals aren't just colors, they're code. And the code is erase your roots. When the runway pushes beige, cream, taupe, they're saying muted equals refined. But when we, us Latinas, wear color, suddenly it's too much, too loud. Why is their silence chic, but our vibrance unprofessional? We've never been seen as equal in the game. And that's why I say skip the beige. Grab the bold red, cobalt, emerald, because nothing about us is quiet, and that's our power. Quiet luxury is just whiteness disguised as elegance. We're not buying it. Oversized layers equals hide your power. Oversized is back again and again. Giant coats, shapeless knits, layers on layers. Cute for the runway girls that all look the same, but for us, oversized means hide your curves, hide your power, hide what makes you Latina. They want us to cover up the very thing that intimidates them. Our curves, our energy, our presence. It's the same script. When we show our bodies, we're too nice. When they show us theirs, it's edgy. It's fashion. I'm done with a double standard. Flip the trend. Just flip the trend to own your look. Mix oversized with fitted. Make it intentional. Latinas, just find the balance. Wear that oversized, but wear it with like some skinny cigarette pants, some extra tights, or flip it, fitted top with very voluminous pants. That's how we own our look. Because our bodies were never the problem. They're the blueprint. Oversized isn't cozy. It's censorship. Stick with me, because number 4 will blow your mind and change how you walk this season. Number 3, minimal accessories equal erase your culture. Minimal jewelry is everywhere this fall. Everywhere. One tiny earring, one delicate chain, pretty and soulless. Let's be real. Minimalism is so white. They act like less is more. It's the height of taste. But when we wear gold hoops, our layers, our rings, suddenly it's gaudy. Jewelry for us isn't decoration. It's identity. It's our abuelas, our culture, our history. When they push minimalism, what they're really saying is, your culture doesn't belong on the runway. So no, I'm not shrinking my story for their aesthetics. Gold stays, layers stay, volume stays, because our shine isn't up for debate. And even if I choose to do minimalism, I still do it my way, just like you should too. Minimalism is for people that have nothing to say, and Latinas always have something to say. Flat shoes equals walk small. They're pushing flats again. Loafers, ballet flats, practical little shoes. Safe, convenient, forgettable. And I get it, necessary at times. But here's the problem. Flats are about making us walk small. And Latinas, we're never built to walk small. Our shoes are energy. Platforms, boots, heels that command space. But in this industry, when they wear flats, it's chic. When we wear power shoes, it's too extra. Funny how the rules only work one way, huh? So no, I'm not shrinking my steps for anyone. We stomp, we take up space, we own the room. Flats aren't fashion, they're submission. I'm not saying don't wear flats. I wear flats. You have to wear flats. Sometimes it just calls for it, right? Just wear them your way. Flats should still have attitude. A bold color, a statement pattern, a sleek shape. If you're tired, walking miles, or need comfort, make them power flats, not invisible shoes. The rule isn't about the heels. It's about presence. When they wear flats, it's chic. When we wear them with power, it's unapologetic. Flats aren't submission. They're just a different kind of power for number 5. All black outfits equals disappear chic. All black everything. Sleek, slimming, chic, or so they tell us. But let me be real. All black is just disappearing. That's probably why a lot of us love it. It's camouflage. It's blending into a system that never wanted us to stand out. Black is fine if you twist it. I'm wearing black. Metallic boots, textures, a pop of color. But when it's all black, it's not fashion, it's assimilation. And assimilation is exactly what they've always asked from us. Sorry, no. Our culture was never meant to blend in. It was made to blaze. All black is their chic. Our chic is unforgettable. We Latinas can rock black. I rock black all the time. But we twist it. Metallic boots, textures, a pop of color, bold accessories. Black becomes a canvas, not a cage. It's about our presence, not assimilation. When black erases your fire, it's a trap. When black amplifies it, that's unforgettable. Black isn't their chic or our cage. It's our playground. Make it blaze. These 4 rules aren't just fashion, they're control. They tell us to be quiet, hide your body, erase your culture, walk smaller, disappear. And for years, we played along blindly. Some more blindly than others. But enough. Latinas were never made to fit into their standards. We're here to rewrite them, to flip the trend, to make fashion see us, whether they like it or not. Because the truth is, we were never too much. They were just never enough. Latinas, which one of these rules are you breaking first? Let me know abajo en los comentarios. Share this with your Latina bestie. And if you want me to make a full Latina approved full wardrobe checklist, hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started. Fashion was never designed for us. We're rewriting it anyway. And trust me, we're going to blaze.